Say So Sunday on Sundays. By failing to not prepare, you are preparing yourself to fail. By Benjamin Franklin. I attached this little reminder on all of my emails to remind everyone the importance of preparing. Our world is quickly changing. No, I'm not turning this into a prepping channel. I think most of you understand the importance of being prepared. I would like to go on into depth with that on my walkie-talkies on Wednesday to share a little more information with you on why it is important to prepare. It's time to get your garden soil ready to start planting gardens. No, you don't plant everything right now, but you need to start working the soil to prepare to get it ready. Planting a garden gives you a sense of security and a closeness to nature, and also a very extremely importance in our time that we're facing in America and all over the world today is famine. Just like they say, what goes up must come down. It's very true. What's happening north of the United States, it will trickle down to the south, and it's happening every day. You may not have even noticed that there is a lot of shortages. We are seeing more and more of that every day. So secure your future and be able to feed your family. I feel like I need to raise awareness of that, the importance of being prepared and stocking up on goods. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to bake bread yet. Buy the ingredients, store it in a 5-gallon bucket. You will soon learn how to make bread and make a lot of other things with just the ingredients that you would need for making bread. Yes, it's nice. We can go to the grocery store and pick up what we need, but prepare for those times in the near future where you may not be able to just run to the store. And even if you could, is it going to be safe to run out when everybody else is panic buying and killing people over a loaf of bread? There are lots of other things you need to be stocking and preparing and getting ready for what may come. And it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Things are rapidly changing. Don't let your family be left out in the dark. Don't let your family die because they starved to death. So think about yourself, but also think about your family. Will you be able to provide for them if everything shuts down for 3 months? Not in a little week shutdown like we had before. Literally everything. Do you have everything you need for 3 months or so? I would hope you even have more than that. Being a homesteader, we always are trying to find ways to secure our future by preparing and getting the things that we need. Even if we think we don't need them right away, we still try to prepare to make sure we have something that we can do that can provide food for our family. Thanks for watching on the Cozy Cottage Homestead.